Here I am going to ask you 10 MCQs of biology by which you can analyze your NEET preparation. After all the 10 MCQs, at last I will give you the result, which helps you a lot. So the first chapter is the living world from 11th NCERT. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get start. The first question is, what is living? There are 3 statements by which you can pick the correct statement, and after that I'll give the option. So select your correct option. First, increase in mass and increase in number of individual are the twin characteristic of growth. Second, metabolic reaction can be demonstrated outside the body in isolated cell-free system. The third statement is, response to stimuli is a defining property of living organism. Now I think you pick your option. If you not take more time, then pause the video. Now the time for options. A 1 and 2, B 1, 2 and 3, C 1 and 3, D 2 and 3. Now pause the video. So the answer is 1, 2 and 3. All the 3 statements are correct. Okay. So the next question is, the label of a herbarium sheet does not carry information on A. Date of collection, B. Name of collector, C. Local name, D. Height of the plant. Now pause the video and select your option. Okay. So the label of a herbarium sheet does not carry information on, and the answer is D. Height of the plant. Height of the plant does not carry. Okay. So the question 3 is, which of the following organisms do not reproduce? A. Mules, B. Worker bee, C. Infertile human couple, D. All of these. Pause the video and take time. Now time for the answer, and the answer is all of these. Mules, worker bee, infertile human couple do not reproduce. All of these do not reproduce. The question 4 is, the statement nothing lives forever yet life continues illustrates the role of A. Reproduction, B. Morphogenesis, C. Replication, D. Embryogenesis. So select your option, and the answer is A. Reproduction. Okay, I think you choose the correct option. Now question 5 is, dash is the branch of science dealing with identification, nomenclature and classification of organisms. A. Morphology, B. Taxonomy, C. Anatomy, D. Ecology. These are the basic questions of 11th NCERT. So the answer is taxonomy. Okay, the correct answer is taxonomy. The question 6 is, which of the following sets does not contain defining characteristic of living organism? A. Growth and reproduction, B. Metabolism and cellular level of organization, C. Response to stimuli and consciousness, D. All of these. So choose the correct option according to your preparation. So the correct answer is A. Growth and reproduction. Okay. So the next question is, first step in taxonomy is A. Description of the organism, B. Identification of the organism, C. Nomenclature of the organism, D. Classification of the organism. So the correct answer is B. Identification of the organism. Question number 8 is one of the most important question for NEET. So the question is, ICBN stands for A. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, B. International Congress of Biological Names, C. Indian Code of Botanical Nomenclature, D. Indian Congress of Biological Names. Which is stand for ICBN? So the correct option is A. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature is stand for ICBN. Okay. The ninth question is species are considered as A. Real basic unit of classification, B. The lowest unit of classification, C. Artificial concept of human mind which cannot be defined in absolute term, D. Real unit of classification devised by taxonomist. Okay, so select your option. Now time for answer. A. Real basic unit of classification. The correct answer is A. So the last question is, one of the most important function of botanical garden is that A. They provide a beautiful area for recreation. B. One can observe tropical plant there. C. They allow ex situ conservation of germplasm. D. They provide the natural habitat for wildlife. Okay, this is the last question. Now time for answer. C. They allow ex situ conservation of germplasm. Okay, now the time for result. If your 8 to 10 questions are correct, good job. Go to the next chapter. If 6 to 7, moderate, revise time to time. Less than 5, learn the chapter again. Okay, if your score is less than 5, so preparation is not very well. Okay, I hope this video will helpful for you. Please like the video for physics formula series. Click on this playlist. For physics short trick, please click on this playlist. And if you didn't start yet, click on this video. We will meet in my next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.